YouTube, it's your girl Chocolate Barbie, and I am back with another video. So this video, as you guys can see by the title, is definitely about this bomb AF hair, y'all. Like, I am definitely slaying this hair. I slayed these baby hairs. Like, baby, can't nobody tell me nothing, okay? So this hair came from Amazon Prime, featuring Vshow hair. This is deep wave, 24 inches. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. When I first got the hair, it was just bomb. Like, it's been bomb. It's amazing. I've had this hair in for about 2 days now, but I can definitely tell you that it is worth your coins. So if you guys want to see, you know, how I slayed this style, and you know, all the specs of the hair and all of that good stuff, make sure you guys stay tuned. So first and foremost, if you are new, welcome to the Chocolate Barbie show, the life of Chocolate Barbie. I would definitely love for you to be a part of the Chocolate Barbie gang. In order for you to do that, you do have to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys like the video, go ahead and like the video as well. Make sure you also hit that bell so that you can be notified of every video that I do post. If you are back, hey girl, hey, and thank you so much for being so loyal to the gang. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, you guys, so as you guys can see, I already have my ball cap method done. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's good and done. So the first thing you want to do is take your wig, and I have my wig right here. It's dry and ready. I already put powder, my foundation color powder, in the inside of it so that it can blend and look like scalp. So yes, so now all we gotta do is put the wig on. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, bring that to the middle. So I may have to pluck it a little bit more. The wig came pre-plucked already, but you know, and I did pluck it too, but I didn't want to like over pluck it. You know, I wanted to get it on my head first and just kind of see, you know, where I might need to do some extra plucking at. So I might do a little bit of extra plucking. I'm not sure right now, but for right now, everything is good. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to get ready to glue your wig down. So today I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond glue. So we're going to cut the ear tabs. So an easy way to do this is just kind of find where your ear is, and I would make like a part right there in that same area where your ear is. Alright. And once you make that part, we're gonna include that. So once you make the part, then you will basically just cut right on that line. So okay, you see how I did that? All right, and then you basically just cut the rest of it. You cut it around. That's one ear tab. Alright, so you see how that's looking? Seamless. And then you want to do that to the other side as well. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and glue this beauty down. Alright, so once you mark it, I like to cut it so I can have it in sections. So I'm going to cut it. So for the last layer, I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry it. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down. Take my bed head wax stick, and I'm just going to hot comb this back. Hot comb is pretty hot. And it's really hot, y'all. Y'all see how flat that's getting? Yeah, the truth. So now that I have that flattened, the next thing you want to do is take your elastic band, and I'm just going to wrap that around my edges. Oop. Don't hit yourself in the face like I just did, but yeah. So now I'm going to cut the lace off. So basically right now it's time to do your baby hairs. So usually if you don't want to do baby hairs, you don't have to, but after I do my baby hairs, after I pull out the hair from my baby hairs, I usually put this back on. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna take a little bit of my got to be. I put some on my hand like this. right, y'all, so I am done with the baby hairs. This is the hair dry. Before clip, you know, I did wet it and everything and define the curls, but after it dried, this is how it dried, and the curls are still absolutely beautiful. When I say this is some bomb hair, you need to go get it, okay? Like, you need to go get it like right now, like ASAP, okay? I'm about to have all the specs in the description bar, and it's, like I said, it's very, very affordable. Like, trust me, you're gonna love this hair. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Again, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down in the comment section. If you made it this far, leave a blue heart, just so I'll know, you know what I'm saying, who rocking with your girl, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, but until next time, you guys, peace and love.